Want to grow your YouTube channel with some lesser-known tips? Here show. First, use YouTube's Community tab to engage your audience with polls, updates, and sneak peeks. For example, ask your viewers what type of content they want to see next. Leverage the power of playlists to keep viewers on your channel longer. Create a playlist of related videos, like a series on a particular topic. Experiment with different video lengths to see what your audience prefers. For instance, try posting both short 5-minute tips and longer 20-minute tutorials to find the sweet spot. Use the first 24 hours after uploading to heavily promote your video, as this is a crucial period for YouTube's algorithm. Share your new video on social media, email lists, and any other platforms where you have a presence. Utilize end screens and cards to direct viewers to other content. At the end of your video, suggest viewers watch another related video on your channel. Invest time in crafting compelling channel art and an engaging About section. Your channel, banner and profile picture should reflect your brand, and your About section should clearly describe what viewers can expect. Regularly update old videos with new titles, descriptions, and tags to improve their discoverability. Refreshing your metadata can bring new life to older content. Collaborate with micro-influencers who have highly engaged audiences. For example, if you have a tech channel, team up with a smaller tech reviewer for a joint video. Make use of YouTube Shorts to capture new viewers and promote your main content. Create quick, engaging shorts that give a taste of your longer videos. Optimize your video thumbnails to be eye-catching and informative. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Engage with your audience by replying to comments and asking questions in your videos to encourage interaction. Building a community can foster loyalty and increase viewer retention. Utilize YouTube's Premiere feature for new videos. This can create a buzz and make your new uploads feel like an event. Consider running targeted YouTube ads to reach a broader audience. Even a small budget can boost your channel's visibility. Finally, use analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on data to continually improve your content. Keep exploring and innovating for continuous growth.